Oneshell Media International proudly presents
Mind-boggling scientific experiments involving pigs.
Pigs taught to play video games.
In 2021, researchers published a paper in the Frontiers in Psychology journal detailing their attempts to turn pigs into gamers. Hamlet and Omelette were the names of two Yorkshire pigs, while the Pane Pinto micro-pigs went by Ebony and Ivory.
Staff at Purdue University coached the animals to operate a joystick with their snouts. The game on the screen in front of them was a simple one, but the quartet showed surprising aptitude.
Each time they used the controls to move toward a target, they got a snack. Even when the treats were taken away, the gammon gamers carried on playing. Scientists described the research as remarkable. Their paper suggests pigs are more intelligent and cognitively skilled than previously thought. It is no small feat for an animal to grasp the concept that the behavior they are performing is having an effect elsewhere, wrote Dr. Candace Croney. That pigs can do this to any degree should give us pause as to what else they are capable of learning and how such learning may impact them.
Shot in the head to study blood splatter patterns.
The use of animals in scientific research is often controversial. This is especially true when it comes to shooting them in the head. In 2015, scientists in New Zealand made headlines over a study that involved firing bullets through pig skulls. Many of the pigs' heads came from the butchers, but the researchers shot 5 live adult pigs. The animals were sedated, strapped to a table, and killed with a pistol or a semi-automatic rifle. 3 were shot from a distance of 4 feet, and the other 2 received their bullet point blank. As cruel as it is, the Institute of Environmental Science and Research says it provided vital insight into gunshot-related backspatter and could help solve gun crimes. When a bullet enters the head, blood, tissue, and bone often spurts out in the other direction, but not always. The pig shooting study looked into why this only sometimes happens and the factors involved. With blood splatter analysis, forensic experts can often tell the difference between murder and suicide.
Facial recognition could improve farm animals' quality of life.
A scientific experiment is exploring the emotions of farm animals. Researchers at the Pig Research Centre, part of Scotland's Rural College, SRUC, reckon their findings could lead to an increase in porcine well-being. In 2019, SRUC announced a new project using facial recognition to see if an animal is pleased or in distress. As part of the study, the team created 3D and 2D images of pig faces. These sow snaps are then analyzed at the University of the West of England. There, researchers are discovering new ways to tell what emotional state a pig is in based on its facial expression. The technology is still in development, but scientists say it could be used to flag health complications or welfare issues on farms. Machine vision technology offers the potential to realize a low-cost, non-intrusive, and practical means to biometrically identify individual animals on the farm, explained machine vision expert Melvin Smith. Our work has already demonstrated a 97% accuracy at facial recognition in pigs. Our next step will be, for the first time, to explore the potential for using machine vision to automatically recognize facial expressions that are linked with core emotion states, such as happiness or distress, in the identified pigs.
New insemination technique involving coconut water.
For most of us, coconut water is a sweet, exotic drink, something to quench our thirst on a hot day. But scientists in Uganda have found another, much more unlikely use for the beverage: artificial pig insemination. Researchers at Gulu University are developing the unorthodox technique, which they hope could be rolled out to countries across Africa. Water from young coconuts is rich in nutrients like sodium and potassium, so using the fluid to deliver semen into the sow should improve the chance of fertilization. Aiding pig insemination is particularly important in a country like Uganda, where the pork demand is 3.4 kilograms per capita per year. The team hopes their research will offer smallholder farmers an affordable, accessible way to rear better quality animals for meat. As lead researcher Eli Ndiomuyenyi told reporters, high concentration of sodium and potassium in the green coconuts are factors which help in sperm motility and longevity. Coconut fruits are readily available in the local markets. They are sold like other local fruits.
The AI robots that can clone pigs.
Artificial intelligence and cloning are two of the most hotly debated frontiers in modern science. Combine the two, and you're opening up a hotbed of ethical uncertainty. Nonetheless, in June 2022, scientists unveiled the first set of piglets to be cloned by robots without any human intervention.
The group work at the University of Nankai in Tianjin, China.
They claim their research shows that removing humans from the cloning process reduces the margin for error. The AI-powered machines are said to be more successful at cloning pigs than humans are. Each step of the cloning process was automated, and no human operation was involved, researcher Lu Yaowei told reporters. Our AI-powered system can calculate the strain within a cell and direct the robot to use minimal force to complete the cloning process, which reduces the cell damage caused by human hands. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.